Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install the HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see two links that are being attached. And if you are using 32-bit operating system or PC, then please choose the link that is being under 32-bit, and if you're using a 64-bit on the contrary, please choose the link that is being attached next to it. Okay, so once you have copied the link that is being compatible to your operating system, please navigate at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match should appear before we can proceed. Okay, once it's here, you can now click on the open option to continue. Now, the moment you are being navigated to the Google Chrome browser, please proceed at the Windows search bar and paste the link that you have copied at the description box below. So by that, please press Ctrl V in the keyboard to paste that and please click on enter so that you would be redirected to the result, which is a mega file. Now, we just have to wait until this would be ready. And once it is being ready, you would be able to see a zip file being attached there, which is the HP LaserJet P2050. The next step that we need to do, don't be confused, 2055 or 2050 is the same, okay? So you might be confused by that. So aligning to it, you can see there a download option. Please click it. And the moment you do it, it will eventually start on the downloading process. We just have to wait until this would be finished before we can proceed. Once it is being completed, directly proceed at the upper right side of this. You can see there a download icon. Please click on it. And the moment you click on it, it will show here the zip file that we have downloaded. Click this folder icon to show it into the location. So from here at the location which is a downloads, we need to move it to the desktop. So how we can do so? Please click on this cut icon. The moment you have copied it, please close the window as well as this one. And at the desktop, please do a right click and go with this this paste icon. The moment you have pasted it, the next step that we need to do is we need to unzip this file. So by that, please do a right click and you can click on extract all, or you can simply choose WinRAR and go with extract to HP LaserJet. Once you do it, it will eventually start on the unzipping of this file. Once a new file is being created, which is the unzip file, please proceed at the start icon. Please do a right click and then scroll up and click on settings. Here in the settings window, you would be able to see a bunch of options. Here, we just have to proceed with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you can see there an option called devices. Please click on it and afterwards, please scroll down and locate for this option called more devices and printer settings under related settings. The moment you've tapped it, you would be able to bring up a new window which is the devices and printers. Here in this window, you would be able to see all of the devices, and that includes the printer that you have installed in your PC or laptop. So from this on, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there add a printer option. And the moment you have bring up this new window, please select on the printer that I want is enlisted, and please choose add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, and please click on next. And from here, you need to choose an existing port. Now here's the catch. You need to choose among of these three. Okay? So in my case, I'll be using HB uses a USB 001. Please click on next and click on have disk with browse. Okay. And since our unzipped file is being located at the desktop, then we need to move on to the desktop. double tap to it, please scroll down and locate for this HP LaserJet. Once you have located it, please click on open and go with OK. Okay, so it will be added here. Please click on next. And from here, you can rename this HP LaserJet file. We just have to rename that by HP LaserJet P2055. Once you're done, click on next. And it will now start on the installing printer. We just have to wait until this will be finished. Now, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation of the printer driver. So this might take some time. We just have to wait for a while. Okay, let's just be patient about it. Once you're done, if you would like to allow printer sharing, you can turn on this option. If you don't like that, please turn on the first option, which is do not share this printer. So click on next. Okay, and if you would like to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I'll just leave it unchecked. Go with finished. And that's it. You're good to go. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2055 in your Windows PC or laptop. So by that, please close all of the windows and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials that like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.